prepping gas hot water heater for a job. Teflon tape, then pipe dope, because it makes a better seal than just, if you use two, than just using one. This is an educational video. Then after, put it in the mouth. So this one's a cold, right? So put that one on the cold water side. We had to make this one because we didn't have an extra adapter, so we made one, but it's gonna be PEX anyway, so it's okay. For a rental property. And they, here's one, here's two pair. One right there, and then use two pair.
What's the other one?
Like these? Oh, the bottom.